Do you know that you can schedule your email on Gmail? What do I mean? I mean, you want to send an email to somebody tomorrow by 7 a.m. and instead of waiting to maybe by 7 a.m. tomorrow, you will not. You have an appointment, right? You won't be able to, be on your phone or your laptop to be able to send that email, right? There's a feature in Gmail that will enable you, that allows you to schedule your email. That means I can create the email right now and schedule the email so that by 7 a.m. tomorrow, the person will receive the email thinking that I just sent that email at that particular time. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emmanuel. I'm excited to have you back, and as always, if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, go ahead, click on the subscribe button. Remember to like and share the video, and of course the video is every single day. We release new content every day, so don't miss our video. Remember to just look at it and get the value we are releasing to you. Okay, let's now go and see how to schedule your email on Gmail. Okay guys, so to schedule your email, is simple like as always. All right, log into your Gmail. Okay, log into your Gmail account, and of course compose an email. Try creating a new email. Okay, try creating a new email. As usual, we choose our address, the person we are sending the email to, and of course the subject. We can still call it testing. Okay, testing. And we write our email. Okay, okay, so let's say I finish writing my email. The next thing is to send the email, and I told you can send that email as if you are in your office by 7 a.m. Let's say you want the email to go out by 7 a.m. and the person that will receive the email, would think that you're actually seated in your office by 7 a.m. All right, or that you actually send the email by 7 a.m. Of course, you can be anywhere to send the email. Okay, so the idea here is that you don't have to write the email at the time you want to send it. Right, you can schedule it ahead of time, and Gmail has this powerful feature to help you achieve this. So how do we do it? Simple. You have set up your email, you have chosen your address and everything. The next, instead of clicking send, instead of clicking this button send, which is the one we are used to, you are now going to come down and click on this arrow. Can you see this arrow pointing down? When you click on it, you see more options, right? More options. So you now see this one. The next option say schedule send. All right, so when you click on it, you click schedule send. When you click on schedule send, it's going to bring out these options for you. Schedule it for tomorrow, that's 21 January by 8 a.m., by 1 p.m., by 8 a.m. These are just suggestions. Of course, I want to choose my time. I don't want to go by this suggestion. I have a specific time. In fact, it's 7 a.m. tomorrow. I want this email to go out. Okay, so I'll just go to pick time and date. Pick time and date. It will open up the calendar to me, and I will now pick my date. My date is 21, which is tomorrow, right? 21, and I want to send it by I will now pick the time. So 21 is the date. The time is 7 a.m. Okay, 7 a.m. So it's 7 a.m. I want to send this email, and what do? I'll just go ahead and click on this button, schedule send. Once I click on this button, schedule send, the email has been scheduled. All right, for 7 a.m. tomorrow. You can see send scheduled for tomorrow 7 a.m. All right, scheduled for tomorrow 7 a.m. So by tomorrow 7 a.m. this email will drop in the inbox of the person I want to receive the email. So this is how to schedule email on Gmail, and this feature is actually powerful. Imagine that you have some communication to do to several persons, right? And maybe your tomorrow is going to be very, very busy. Okay, and instead of waiting till tomorrow, you can sit down today, write all the emails to the several persons, schedule them, and go ahead and go to work, go and enjoy yourself. And by tomorrow, all the emails will drop, go to the various recipients, and they will receive it at the right time, right? They will see you as a superhuman being. But of course, with technology, you can actually become a superhuman being. So this is how we do it, and of course, we give it to you step by step, and we'll make it very easy for you to understand how to use digital skills to enhance what you are doing, your career, your job, your business, and of course, make more money. Because when you save time, they say time is money. When you save time, you make a lot of money. So this is where we draw the curtain on today's video. And of course, if you have gotten value from the video, what do? You're yet to subscribe. Subscribe now. Just click the button, all right, and subscribe. And of course, remember that tomorrow we are coming to you with another video. Of course, it's every day, fresh content, very crispy, very hot, and of course, with a lot of value. Okay, so subscribe, like, share the video, and of course, if you have any question for us, please use the comment section. And of course, I will see you again tomorrow in another exciting video.